Today we are going to be learning about neurographic artwork. Neurographic artwork is artwork that starts from the inner and moves outward, and it's a repetition of layers of lines over time that is meant to be meditative and calm you down and de-stress. So here I'm using my hands as a guide to help me create lines for the beginning of my artwork. And I am starting by tracing my hand, and I am working from the middle of my paper outward. And you can see that I am rotating my paper as I work, arranging my hand in different designs all the way around the pattern in different directions, going back over some of my lines to adjust the line quality. I am tracing just my fingers along the edge of some of these. Here in this empty space I've decided to put a heart. You are welcome to trace or draw your lines or choose your theme as you like. There are a variety of different things you can use for the process. Your starting goal should be to identify a goal or theme for you in which what the world needs now and that you are trying to find peace with. And then your next thing you are going to do is you are going to draw the object over and over again if you decide to do something different. Go over the line, thickening the line. You want to extend the beginning and keep going off of the paper. And you can add more lines that travel from one to another and thicken some. You are trying to feel calm in this process as you work. Now, as you color, here I have chosen my topic of equality. And I am using different skin colors to fill in different places on my artwork. They will not all be the same colors. I'm using different colors in different spaces. And I'm almost using it as a coloring book to de-stress, to calm myself down, and again to remind myself of what I find most important at this time and what I feel like the world needs now, and I am coloring that in. So again, the topic that I have chosen is inclusion, equality, and diversity. And I'm using different skin colors. Maybe you have decided to draw a heart over and over again, overlapping, because you feel like that's what the world needs now. Or maybe you decide to draw a flower pattern over and over again, overlapping it to show peace or growth in the flowers on planet Earth, because you feel like it's important for us to have flowers at this time. You know, there's so many possibilities. What other symbols can you use for the things that you find important at this time? Here, I am still layering up all of my different skin tones. Here, I've put a light color on top of a dark color. It is okay to layer up colors even with crayons. And if I'm layering up skin colors on top of each other, then that means that I'm only creating more and more skin tones as I layer them, which can only mean more diversity and more inclusion and more shades. And as an artist, it's always important to know how many different shades you can make with all of the tools that you have in your toolbox. Here I use black and some brown on top of it. You know, maybe you do your hands and you do them in a whole rainbow color instead of using the different skin colors. And you want to use that to represent diversity. That's okay too. It would look really great to have some extra tones and stuff with the different rainbow colors inside of your hands. That would be awesome. So whatever you decide, you're going to go ahead and fill in that space. Again, taking this time to relax, make sure that your artwork is nice and full, that you have created a beautiful composition, and that you are filling in the artwork completely. You want to make sure you are filling in all of the space and getting it all in there.